3730 Hotel, contact Milwaukee departure. Have a good flight.
Over to Milwaukee departure, 3730 Hotel. Look at this over here, just packed full on a car.
Good.
Morning, Milwaukee departure, 3730 Hotel, climbing through 1,600 for 3,000 off of Oshkosh, making our turn direct Madison.
Sundowner 3730 Hotel, Milwaukee departure, ident, climb and maintain 4,000.
Ident 4,000, 3730 Hotel.
Sundowner 30 Hotel, radar contact a half mile west of the Oshkosh Airport, the Oshkosh altimeter 3028.
Position checks, 3730 Hotel.
And Milwaukee approach, Sky 7284 Quebec, let's just start our descent down to Oshkosh.
84 Quebec, roger, VFR descent will be at your discretion, radar services terminated, you can stay on that same squawk code and contact Oshkosh Tower, have a good day.
Alright, over to Oshkosh Tower, good day.
Wonder what they're doing there. I've got the Madison Airport in sight.
Ow! They are 18 miles away.
I know that, but you can see it, right?
Ow.
Big strip of pavement pointing kind of away from us. You see the lake and the other lake? Between them on this side of it.
Oh yeah.
So let's see.
Approach Envoy 3766 is 12-5 for 11 West Foxtrot. Envoy 3766 Madison approach, expect vector visual approach, runway 36. 36 visual vectors, Envoy 30.
Gotta go down about 3,000 feet, so that's...
30 Hotel, just to maintain 3,000.
3,000, 3730 Hotel. I was just doing that math in my head. Might need to go down this soon, but...
Master information, Gulf style current, winds 2809er, gust 17, altimeter 3036.
036.
Why is it changing so much today?
Why is what?
The altimeter changing so much today.
Well, we crossed the front. That was probably what you felt back there.
What I'm feeling currently.
Helicopter 911, Uniform Whiskey Madison approach, your radar contact, altimeter is 3036, proceed inbound UW. Hotel, fly heading 180 vector sequence.
180 for sequence, 3730 Hotel.
Seneca 78 Charlie, turn right heading 200. 78 Charlie, right 200.
I'd have to pick him up if we get close.
Seneca 687 Charlie, traffic off here 9 o'clock and about a half a mile southeastbound, type of altitude unknown. 78 Charlie, negative traffic. 78 Charlie, actually traffic no factor, they're now northbound. Envoy 3766, descend to maintain 3000, advise Madison Airport in sight. 3000, airport in sight, Envoy 3766. Envoy 3766, clear visual approach, runway 36. Clear visual 36, Envoy 3766. Envoy 3766, clear visual approach, runway 36, contact tower 119.3, have a great day.
What are you looking at me for?
Tower, you as well, Envoy 3766.
Right over some prairie, probably.
3730 Hotel, enter right base, runway 32.
Right base 32, 3730 Hotel, and we have the airport in sight.
3730 Hotel, clear visual approach, runway 32.
Clear for the visual 32, 3730 Hotel.
30 Hotel, contact Tower 119.3.
Over to Tower 119.3, 3730 Hotel. Afternoon, Madison Tower, 3730 Hotel on the right base for 32.
November 3730 Hotel, Madison Tower, runway 32, clear to land, the wind 208 at night, I'm sorry, 280 at niner.
Clear to land 32, 3730 Hotel. Envoy in sight. See him? No. Black speck just over the horizon.
Yes. We're landing first.
We are landing on a crossing runway, but we're landing on this end of it, so should not be a factor. He will probably beat us there anyhow. Down to 1,800, I'm going to configure. Crosswind from the left. Envoy's on the pavement. Final is clear.
Envoy 3766, turn left at Alpha 3 or Alpha 2 and taxi to park via Alpha, monitor ground point niner.
Alpha 3, Alpha, monitor ground, Envoy 3766.
He's made, pulling more power out. Cross control in.
November 30 Hotel, where do you park?
Going to Wisconsin Aviation.
November 30 Hotel, turn right at Mike 3 and contact ground point niner. If you can't make Mike 3, turn right at the next one.
Okay, right at Bravo and then ground point niner 30 Hotel. 121.9, please. That everything?
Yep.
Okay. Didn't lose anything, right?
Nope.
Okay.